someone from your management, I don't know what his really title, he didn't tell me, but I think it's important. He called me the other day and said, Rami, you must make them laugh. And they had a bad year. They didn't meet the sales target. And the sales goal was, he told me, $160 million, yes sir? Yes. And you sold only $132 million. It's a shame. You should be ashamed of yourself. There's no reason for this. Shame. And it's sad. He told me and I felt so bad I started to cry. But I think, why are you sad? Are you insane? You have a problem in your mind? You sold $132 million and you feel sad? And just a second. You didn't sell something real, like cars, or buildings, or food. You are selling discs, you know, it's like a city, a small city with inside what, zeros and ones, that's all. In $132 million of something that you can't even see. You are a genius. You must be happy. I want to know who is the guy that sets your sales goals. Really, why only 160 million? Why not 45 billion? And I know that American region, I heard, I did a study on NICE, and I understand the Americans region made much better than you. I know, much better. They are now drink beer, but don't feel bad because it's easier for them. They sell to Americans. American people, they will buy anything. You can sell to the Americans, and they elected George Bush twice. He did one time. He was awful. He can't speak English. I speak English better than him. And they elected twice, so to sell them this with nothing inside, it's easier. And you must understand that Americans and Europeans are not the same. Europeans work only 2 hours a day. But on the other hand, see the American people, they work 23 hours a day. Also the Israeli people. So it's understandable that you sell less. But live longer life. You understand? American salesmen get their first heart attack about when they are 22, I think, and they are already divorced twice. So you know that, and I know also that the APAC region also not the same as you. You know, completely different, because Asians are extreme workers, not like European workers. It's something. A Japanese employee, you know, he sees his wife in the day of the wedding. He goes to work, comes back when he retired. She don't know who is this man, he don't know who is this woman, and the children, nobody can explain who is the father of the children. But you live in Europe, you work 2 minutes a day. In Europe it's nice, and you made $132 million, applause to you. You are a genius.